all the shows on Carlos Carwell has to be real.
They do.
On this one.
Whoa. Hey.
Wheel.
There's a sick Salem on the couch in the background.
And tell about this.
This is taking too long if we're going to be doing all of these.
Wheel. There's only 2 left.
Okay.
Wheel. Gotcha.
Oh.
And now?
Ah! It flies? Or are those jumps?
Those are jumps.
All right, park it. Finish it up because this video is already 2.5 minutes long.
And there's one more vehicle.
All right, what is it?
A street sweeper.
Is this one going to go through the tunnel? I've been waiting for something to go through that tunnel.
Well, that fire truck went zooming for that tunnel.
No, it didn't. Went around it. This one.
Then wasn't that the police car then?
No, none of them did.
I remember zooming on through the tunnel like this.
Not in this video.
In a
Right.
different way because I remember when doing that after it went through the tunnel.
Park.
The video's over. Now can you send it to YouTube?